This presentation, The Equal Blessing of the Miracle, distills key ideas from A Course in Miracles, Chapter 14, Section 11. We will explore how miracles reframe perception, dissolve hierarchy, and reveal a shared identity grounded in love, offering a practical framework for spiritual transformation. Human perception is built inside an architecture of limits. We judge by size, time, and scarcity, so we cannot truly imagine limitlessness. This slide invites us to notice how deeply we assume limits are real and prepares us to question whether they accurately reflect spiritual reality. Two operating systems shape perception. The world of limits is bound by difficulty, differences, and competition. In contrast, the laws of another world transcend order, rest on equality, and function simultaneously. Our task is to learn to recognize which system we are using in any moment. A unique intervention introduces higher laws into the limited system. The Course calls this the miracle, guided by a unique teacher. This teacher bridges worlds, importing principles of love and limitlessness into our daily situations so that our perception can be gently retrained. Miracles level all hierarchies of difficulty. What seems big or small, complex or simple, is equal from a spiritual standpoint. The miracle is the one action that transcends order entirely, showing that no problem is harder for love to address than any other. True equality removes the perception of differences. Instead of a hierarchy, we see a network of equal worth. The miracle abandons ranking and comparison, teaching that every person and situation deserves the same love, because all share the same underlying value. Spiritual capacity is not constrained by scarcity. Miracles do not compete with one another, and their number is unlimited. They can occur simultaneously and in many places at once. Once we accept that miracles are possible, we begin to understand their inherently abundant nature. A miracle is not a physical event, but a sudden shift in recognition. It is the instant when perception snaps into alignment with reality. We realize that love, not limitation, is true. The outward situation may or may not change, but our understanding is fundamentally transformed. The miracle operates as a self-sustaining energy exchange. Where there is love, it must be shared. Where there is need for love, we are called to give it. Because love is our nature, this circulation is perfectly efficient, continually renewing both giver and receiver. Giving love restores our shared identity. We move from separation to the joining created by the miracle, to a recognition of one shared self. The Course's purpose is to teach us what we are. Miracles become the practical means by which this shared identity is remembered. We recognize our own identity only by extending it to another. As we offer love and see the other as they truly are, we simultaneously remember who we are. Wherever identity seems absent, we supply it through forgiveness and kindness, and in that act, we recognize it in ourselves. Every miracle carries the full power of divine blessing. Each recognition of another's true identity is fully supported by God's love. Because the same total love stands behind every miracle, none can be ranked by difficulty. All are equally powerful expressions of the same source.